So let's look at the three most important things that make up local SEO. Number one, your Google Business Profile. Google Business Profile, also called GBP, is your free Google listing that show up in the map and local search result. It's where customers see your hours, phone number, reviews, and photos and business informations. This is the single most important piece of your local SEO. Without it, you almost don't exist on Google Maps. Number two, NAP consistency. NAP stands for name, address, and phone number. Your Google cross-check your contact informations info across dozens of website, directories, review platform, and social media. If your name, let's say City Plumber, or let's say Mike Roofing, the site, and Mike Roofing LLC on another site, Google get confused. Consistent NAP information is help Google trust your business. So this is very important ranking factor to the NAP consistency across the every platform. Make sure you have to check all the things, all the site are listed correct NAP information about your business. Number three, reviews. When someone search for a local businesses, they look at the starts first. Google also looks at your reviews, how many you have and how recent they are and how often new ones coming. According to the local SEO research, review recency is one of the top ranking signal in 2026. A plumber in Dallas with 200 recent review will almost always outrank a competitor with 20 old ones. So